Hello folks! Meet Gua Sha, the viral skincare tool that's more than just hype. To trust anything, we first need to understand it well. So let's dive into this fascinating tool's secrets, how it works, and how you can unlock its magic for anti-aging. What is Gua Sha, and is it really effective? Yes, Gua Sha isn't just a trend. It's backed by history and even science. Gua Sha is a flat, smooth tool, traditionally made of jade or rose quartz, used for massaging and scraping the skin gently. Its primary goal is to improve blood circulation, release muscle tension, and promote lymphatic drainage. Over time, this can enhance your natural glow, reduce puffiness, and even soften the appearance of fine lines. But what makes Gua Sha so effective? It's all about its mechanics. By scraping the skin at the right angle, it stimulates deeper layers of tissue and fascia, releasing tension and improving elasticity. This ancient technique is a workout for your face. What does Gua Sha mean? The term Gua Sha comes from Mandarin Chinese. Gua means to scrape, and Sha refers to the redness that can appear on the skin during the process. Together, it translates to scraping away sand, symbolizing the removal of stagnation and promotion of better circulation and healing. How was it founded? Gua Sha dates back over 2,000 years to traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM. Originally, it was used on the body to treat ailments like chronic pain, fever, and inflammation. Over time, the technique was adapted for facial use, where it gained popularity for its beauty and anti-aging benefits. It's still widely practiced in China today and has become a global sensation thanks to its transformative results. Though Gua Sha originated in China, it's now loved by people worldwide. However, Asian countries, especially China, Korea, and Japan, remain the top users of Gua Sha due to their strong ties to traditional practices. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology revealed that Gua Sha improves microcirculation in the skin, enhancing nutrient delivery and promoting cell repair. This can lead to a reduction in the appearance of wrinkles and a boost in skin elasticity, a natural anti-aging powerhouse. Quite impressive, isn't it? But what's the right technique to use Gua Sha for maximum results? So here's your step-by-step guide. Start with clean skin. Always cleanse your face first to avoid pushing dirt into your pores. Apply a face oil. This ensures smooth gliding and prevents tugging. Some great options include jojoba oil, which is lightweight and non-comedogenic, rosehip oil, amazing for anti-aging, and squalane oil, hydrating and gentle for sensitive skin. Use gentle pressure. Hold the Gua Sha tool at a 15 to 45 degree angle and scrape gently. Follow natural contours. Work upward and outward, starting at your neck, then moving to your jawline, cheeks, and forehead. Repeat. Use 5 to 10 strokes per area for maximum results. When to use Gua Sha? The best time is evening. Not only is it relaxing after a long day, but it also helps your skin absorb nighttime serums better. That said, you can absolutely use Gua Sha in the morning too. It's perfect for reducing puffiness and refreshing your face for the day ahead. Are there any downsides? Gua Sha is generally safe, but here are a few things to keep in mind. Don't overdo it. Too much pressure can bruise your skin. Avoid active acne or irritated skin. Gua Sha might spread bacteria or worsen inflammation. Be consistent. It's not an overnight miracle. Regular use is key. So there you have it. Gua Sha isn't just a trendy social media buzz. It's a centuries-old ritual that can transform your skincare routine and take it to the next level. I have personally noticed positive changes in my skin tone and a reduction in fine lines through the use of Gua Sha. I hope it works for you too. Hit that like button and embark on your Gua Sha journey today.